All right, there we go. We are live.
Nice.
All right, so I guess let's have an opening prayer. Vincent, do you want to say it this time?
I can do it. Yep.
Awesome.
Oh, dear Heavenly Father, we're so grateful for this day. We're so grateful that we can gather together and have this group meeting and talk about the lesson and share what we learn, and we can share with each other about the question that we have. And Father, we're so grateful that we can study here and receive knowledge. And Father, please bless us that we can have Thy Spirit to be with us during this meeting. And we're so grateful for all the blessings that we have. Father, we love Thee so much. We say these things in the name of Thy Son, Jesus Christ. Amen.
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 Okay. Ashley, do you feel better about this stuff today?
Yes.
Yeah.
I did it.
Oh, good. I was like playing with I can't make these charts look different when I copy them over, so I don't know what I'm doing, but maybe we can figure it out. So maybe you guys can help me.
I think there's, when it like gives you an option to paste it, I think there's a way for you to be able to like format it or choose something so it goes into like the Word format.
Okay. All right. I'm going to try that then.
And I don't know the differences. Like, I can't tell the differences.
There's supposed to be differences because on the answer sheet it's different, but when I paste them all together, I'm like, they all look like the exact same chart.
Yeah. That's how I felt.
That's how mine looked, but then I also made one that had all of them together so you could kind of compare them.
Let's see. I did it. Wait,
Did it?
I think I did it. I think so. No, it still looks like the other one.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, for these, to compare them, I just put them all, did one that had all of the data on it so you could kind of see what, how they compared.
Yeah.
I hope I remember how much.
And I can see how that Excel doc, how it helps you find like the standard deviation. Like I get all of that, but it's just making the chart, like you said, so I can compare them.
So for
That's
the
only thing I
Excel,
haven't.
the standard differentiation, do you use like .s or .p?
I did dot, P, I think.
What's the difference? Like .s and .p?
I don't know. Let me see.
All right, hold on for just a second. I have to go check out what my dog is barking at. Hold on, I'm sorry.
That's all right. Okay, so I did dot P for the ones in the Excel file.
.p?
Yeah.
Oh, and I'm so sorry about yesterday.
Oh, no, no worries.
Like, so like, I was talking to a customer and like, she was super mad and like she just won't hang up the phone. Like, and like, an hour.
That's okay. I didn't even have everything done yet, so today actually works good, so.
Yeah. Yep.
Looks really barking at something. Okay. I'm not sure for like the comparing the companies. Like,
Mhm.
I'm not sure which one would look like the best one.
Yeah.
You guys really don't. Sorry, guys.
Oh, no worries.
Landlord, I guess, was over here. So,
Oh, okay.
all right. What are we talking about?
We were just talking about like comparing them, the
Okay.
graphs.
Okay, so do we just want to go through part 2, or are you guys good with everything on there?
I think I'm good with everything on there, so.
Okay,
Like,
Vincent?
can you explain a little bit about like standard deviation?
Standard derivation. Oh, the standard deviation.
Is the standard deviation? So it mentioned about if the standard deviation is small, then the data tend to be closer together. If the
Yeah.
standard deviation is large, the data is usually more spread out. What does that mean?
I think that's how it shows up on the chart, like the bell shape, or even the box one. I think.
Mm-hmm. So
Yeah, I'm trying to find.
I'm looking through the textbook and seeing if it kind of.
Yeah. So I know like the definition says the spread of the distribution, so I guess that's going to be how far out or in it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, and then we talked about this yesterday. But if if there's a small amount of data, it's close together, and if it's large, then it's more spread out.
Uh-huh.
And I know that if I was asked to do the standard deviation by hand, I don't think that I could do it right now without the Excel spreadsheet helping me out and putting all the numbers in there.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay, any other ones?
Let's see. So it's like for number 8 in part 2, it says compare the results you obtained with others in your group. Describe the differences and similarities between the different graphs. So, but we kind of decided that they all look pretty similar, so it's kind of hard to distinguish what the differences are.
Mm-hmm. But some of them are a little more spread out, and I think that's when you have more of the number of them, because some of them had like 41, some had 25, or one column had 25 and one column had 49. So
yeah, so like the difference in the what am I trying to say? In the number of in the sample size, I guess.
Yeah, so I think that's a great example of how, if you have the least amount, they're closer together, and then the more data you had, the more spread out it got.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Are you good, Vincent?
Yeah.
Okay.
Making sense?
Yeah.
I don't know. This topic still felt like really Greek to me. Just really hard.
I kind of wish that this is not an online course.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to take.
Yeah. It is. The videos really do help, though. So.
Yeah. Like the demonstration, like the video.
Mm-hmm.
Tutorial. Yeah. So should we just start the quiz then?
Sure, let's do it.
And we have 2 attempts, so.
Yay!
Yep,
I'm nervous about this.
I'm really grateful for that.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay. Quick meeting quiz.
Okay. All right. Starting quiz.
Okay.
Should we just take turn, reading again?
Yeah. If you want to.
What's going on?
Ooh, this looks kind of complicated. Okay.
Well, I know 2 will get right.
Yeah. Out of 10, 20%, not bad.
Okay. Who wants to go first? Lady first.
Okay. Answers.
Let me see.
Okay, sorry. I hit the X instead of the minimize.
Oh, no.
But we're good now.
Okay, I think I need to go open the other Excel doc. Oh, where's that?
Okay.
Oh, wait, never mind, I have it.
Man, I wish I can have a second computer to use.
Yeah, having
Well, I'm just using the one today, so, well, I was using the other, but it's me too hard, so.
So the first one is calculating the mean amount hospitals have to pay in wrong side lawsuit.
Well, luckily, the first one's kind of easy, I think, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just read it. On rare occasions, a medical procedure is performed on the wrong body part of a patient's body. These are called wrong site and wrong patient mistakes. Such errors occur hundreds of times each year across the United States. The medical community is trying to eliminate these errors but have had difficulty reducing their frequency. In a small percentage of these cases, the patient files a lawsuit against the hospital. Okay, conducted a study on these mistakes and the lawsuits that follow. The data in the file represents the amount in U.S. dollars hospitals have been required to pay in wrong site and wrong patient lawsuits. 0 indicating that the hospital won the battle. So find the mean amount hospitals pay. Find the mean amount hospitals had to pay in wrong site lawsuits. Round your answers to the nearest dollar. So
Come on.
wow, this is a lot of data.
Yeah, it goes down to 412.
Oh, wow, okay.
I think you can just click Control Shift down, and then like it will select all of it.
Okay, so on
So this is just like the average, like the mean, like it can
Mm-hmm.
is it of both of them added together, or is it just the wrong site one?
I think it's just the wrong. Okay, I'm reading it as just the wrong site one.
Oh, okay, and that's what the question says in the test. Okay.
I got $80,041.24.
And that's what I got.
Yep.
So do we have to put a dollar sign?
I want to say no. I don't know. Maybe not.
Maybe not.
Yeah. But it says round to the nearest whole dollar, so wouldn't we just put 80,041?
Yes. No dollar sign?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. Usually you don't.
Yeah.
I don't
And
know.
then we have to find them.
Median. Okay, question 4. Find the median amount hospital had to pay in wrong site lawsuit. So median.
So many choices.
Median. I got 68,552.
I have. What'd you say you got?
68,552.
It's not, or is it for which one?
I got something. Oh, the second part of number 3.
Oh, is this
Number 4.
Number 4, yeah. Median.
Wrong site. I got 79,977.
And I got 67,737. So.
What?
How are you guys? Are you calculating it on Excel?
Yes.
Okay. Which formula are you using?
I use equal median, and then like on the wrong side, just select all of those.
Oh. Okay, I wasn't doing that. I was just going and getting the middle numbers. Okay. Try that.
What were you using?
I was just doing it by hand. I wasn't using Excel. So
Oh. What are you, Ashley?
I did the same thing using the median formula, and then from A2 to A412.
Yeah, that's what I did too. Let me try A2.
all right, let me try.
Oh, I think I put something wrong.
I have to reopen it.
Yeah, I still got the same answer, like 68,
Weird.
552.
All right, I'm trying it again. So. Sorry, I had to close it and start over. So
That's all right.
Would you guys mind if I eat some snack? I'm hungry.
No, go ahead.
I'm good. Okay, did the mean. Trying this again.
Okay. Wait, is it mean or median?
Medium.
This median.
Okay. Yeah, no, I don't know why they're off.
Hmm. So, like, my formula, my equation is equal median, and then A2 to A412.
Yeah, that's exactly what mine says.
Yeah?
You have to do the quotes around it.
Yes.
A2. Oops, that didn't work. To A412.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because that's the last bit of data or entry.
Ah, it's not working. Okay. Okay, can you guys tell me how to type it? It is not working for me. Oh, wait.
Just an equal sign,
Okay.
and then median,
Okay.
and then you do a open parenthesis.
Okay, that's what I'm not doing. Okay. And then highlight them all?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry.
Are you using a MacBook or are you using Windows?
Oh, Windows.
Windows? You can, like, Control Shift and then down arrow, it can select all of it.
Oh, okay. Control Shift. All right. All right, so I got 68,552.
Yeah, that's what I got.
I have no idea why mine is so off.
Like,
You need it all the way from A2 to A412?
Yep.
You did all the way from the A2 to the 412? Yeah, 412?
Mm-hmm.
did you delete some of the data, maybe?
Yeah. Here, I'm trying it again.
Okay, I'll just start the next question real quick.
Oh yeah, now 6,800, 552.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, good.
It wasn't working before.
Yay!
Okay, question 5. Find the standard deviation of amounts paid in wrong suit loss suit. Round your answer to the nearest whole dollar.
Okay. Still working on that same column.
Yeah.
Is there a difference between the ST or the standard derivation .P or .S?
So right now I'm taking like a business spreadsheet class,
Uh-huh.
and they suggest us use .S, and I don't know what's the difference, but that's what they said.
Okay.
And I got $71,403.
Mm-hmm. And then
And
round to the nearest dollar
so
or nearest whole number.
What did you say? 71,403
4.
or 404?
Yeah, 404.
Okay. Okay, that's what I got.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Well, that one wasn't too bad, minus the formula.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so use the following information to answer the next 5 questions. Something something is a rare and usually fatal type of liver cancer. A study was conducted on 4 individuals with this illness. The data represent their survival times in months. What is the mean survival time in these 4 months? So, okay.
That's the mean, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Ooh.
So our numbers are 5,
19, 1, and 3. Okay, do you guys have it?
Mm-hmm. Got 7.
Yep.
Yep.
Me too.
7, right?
Oh, there's not a. Oh, is it? Yeah.
That was number, okay, 6.
Median.
Oh, okay.
How did you do it? Like mean, equal mean, and then like 5, 19, 1, and 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just did average because it's the same thing, so.
And the next one is the median.
Yeah.
Got 4.
I got 5. Wait, hold on. Wait a second. Okay, I have 4. I did one too many cells. So.
Okay. Got those ones.
All right. Number 8 looks kind of scary.
Yeah.
So, should I read it?
Sure. We're on number 8.
Yeah, if you were to compute the variance by hand, the following table could be used. Use the table to answer the next 3 questions. Question 8. Give the number that would be entered into the space labeled A in the table above. What does that mean? I don't get it.
So we have to go through and do
Standard. No.
yeah, so we have to go through and do it by hand until we get to those spots.
No calculator?
Mm-hmm.
So the formula, the equation is x minus x. What is that? Like x?
So it's.
So
the-
sorry. Go ahead, Ashley.
Oh, you can go ahead.
I was just going to say the x is the number, so the 5, 19, 1, and 3, that's x. The x with the little squiggly number is the mean. So you're going to subtract the 5 minus the mean that we just got, which was 7.
Oh.
Yeah.
So that should be 7 then. No, minus 7, 12. Is it?
So for A, it would be 19 minus 7.
So that would,
12. And I think that's what they're wanting for that one.
I think that's what I got. So.
Okay. And then
What is
B is 1.
Bless you.
Okay. Did you guys get B?
$36.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yes. Sorry, I was looking at the wrong one. Yes, I got 36.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
And then the standard deviation of the survival terms.
Can we use Excel this time?
I hope so.
Well, I think we have to do this one by hand. Yeah, the next 3. So 8, 9, and 10 have to be done by hand. But this one, this is just that. This one is just that formula, where it's the sum divided by n minus 1. So n is the mean.
So we have to find the squares of all of, or the squares of all of them minus the mean. And then we do, the n minus 1, right?
Maybe.
Yeah, I don't know.
Hold on, I'm gonna look.
Okay.
5 plus like
I always say just use Excel.
I wish we could.
right. I mean, you can use Excel, but then you have to figure out, okay, how do we get there? And I remember it from the thing yesterday. Let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how.
Okay, so is all right. When it says the sum, is that the sum of the four, like 5 plus 19 plus 1 plus 3?
And I think it's the
Or is,
sum of their squares after we find their the square deviations.
So like
that's
column
right.
2, is it column 2? The sum of column.
That's right. Square root of the variance. Wow, I'm totally wishing for a regular math class right now.
Yeah, me too. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Okay, for the n minus 1, how do we pick which number is n?
I think it's 4 because that's how many numbers there are to work with.
Okay.
Okay, I have no idea if I did this right, but I tried it. So
Okay. I got 8.1.
oh wait, don't say it yet, Ashley. I did it wrong. Hold on. Sorry.
That's all right. Oh, wait.
I did one of the steps, the last step wrong before you divide by the. Okay, so when you did the square root, it's like for -2, did you get 1.41?
Oh, you add all those up before you take the square root.
Oh, so add up the, okay. All right.
Yeah, so you add up the, so once, let's see. So you do like 5 minus 7 is -2, and then you take this, and then you square that, so it becomes 4.
Okay.
And then you do that with like the 19 minus 7 and 1 minus 7 and 3 minus 7.
Gotcha.
So you take,
okay.
and then you add all those numbers up and you get 200. And then you take the square root of that divided by n minus 1.
Sorry, I did this. Oh yeah, I did the square root too soon, so I should have done together before I did the square root. So
That's right.
So I got the 200, and after that, how do you do it?
What was that?
Spreadsheet business analyze. No, you don't have to put that one. There's like the international economy. So like it's the same time that you're taking your culture.
okay.
So like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 12:45.
Okay, Ashley. So you got like the 5 minus 7, you got -2,
Yeah.
and then 19 minus 7 was 12. 1 minus 7 is -6.
I got
3 minus 7 was -4, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you take, and then you square each of those numbers.
Okay. So I'm sorry, you're doing a really great job of explaining it.
That's all right. I'm hoping it makes sense for you.
Okay, and so then you would do like the -2 times -2, which would be 4.
Mm-hmm.
And then 12 times 12 is 144.
Mm-hmm.
And then -6
time 90.
It's 36. And then -4 times -4 is
16.
this is messed. 16.
Yep. And then you add all those numbers up.
Okay. Let's try this again. And then you do the square root of that.
You do the square root of that minus the square root of that over the n minus 1. So it'd be 4 minus 1, so 3. So 200 divided by 3, you take the square root of that number.
Okay.
Who is that 3 from?
The n is, sorry, go ahead, Ashley.
It's from the n minus 1, so the 4 minus 1. Because you have 4 different numbers that we're adding together.
Okay.
Good job, Ashley.
Welcome.
Yeah, I was doing the square root after, or no. Yes, I was doing it after, so I was getting like 4.97. I was like, that's not right. All right, did everyone get an answer? I have an answer now. Yay.
Yay. Perfect.
Yep. Yeah, so for the answer, did you get 8.164?
Yes.
Yeah. Is it? It has to run to the nearest 10. So 8.16.
Sweet. Okay.
Oh, and then there's 11 through 16. Fantastic.
Yay.
Ah.
What is the first number in the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit data?
Wouldn't it just be 0? The first number is the minimum.
Is it referring to the Excel sheet?
Yeah.
Yes. The second column. Five number. Okay.
Do they count zeros in that? Or would it be the first number, like an actual number?
Okay, and this is the wrong patient column, right?
Yeah.
Wrong patient. Okay. 5-number summary.
What does the 5 summary mean? Like the top 5?
The quartiles?
I don't understand the question.
The 5 numbers
Okay.
is
Go ahead,
like
Ashley.
the minimum, the lower quartile, the mean or the median, and then the third quartile, and then the maximum. So the second number in the 5-number summary would be the first quartile.
Is that 0?
Okay. But it also says you need to know the median also. Right? Sorry. Scratch that.
Yeah.
No, the second quartile is the median. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And do you know when do we have to submit the, like, chapter 3, lesson 3, like, homework?
I think everything's due Saturday.
Saturday?
Yeah.
Have you finished it yet?
I haven't.
Mm-mm.
Do you want to do it together on Saturday?
I don't know if I can on Saturday.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. All right. What is the second number in the 5-number summary? Given number rounded to the nearest cent.
So what is 11 What do you have?
Okay, so if you put it in the quantitative descriptive statistics, so it has a minimum as 0, and then quarter 1 is 3,900. The median is 18,882. Third quartile is 50,145, and maximum is 1,250,000.
Wait, how do we get these numbers?
You take that data and copy the wrong patient data into the quantitative descriptive statistics.
Oh, okay, that's right.
Yeah, if you paste it over there and then make sure to change the number of bins to 176
What?
on the yellow highlighted part.
I'm lost.
I think I could share my...
Yeah, can you share screen
Yeah.
on Hangout?
Never done this, so...
Wait, why did we pick 176 for the number?
I did that because that's how many there are.
Oh, okay.
Okay, do you guys see it? I can't... Is this working?
Yes, I can see it.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, just copy all the data over here and change this number, and then it puts it down here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That little spreadsheet comes in handy, man.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Where do you find that? I didn't see it.
It's in the... Oh. It's in the book? No. Actually, it is in the book. I just can't remember where.
Yeah, where do you find it?
It's like a list of like 3 things that you should download and save on your computer because they'll be helpful throughout the entire course. Let me. Oh, I can't remember where it's at.
It's in the book somewhere in lesson 3.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the only thing I can remember. It's like I got it off of there, off the book. Okay, back to.
Okay, so for the first
Okay,
quartile, what did you have?
I'm thinking it's 0 with you. Or maybe not. Or maybe 3,900. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. No.
Mine it says 2,900, 496.
On your spreadsheet?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Oh, wait, is it wrong patient or wrong?
I think this one is
Oh, these are wrong patient. That
wrong patient. Yeah. Okay.
So under lesson 3 and then individual preparation, is it under individual preparation?
No, it's in the book. I'm gonna send you the link.
Okay.
in the chat. There.
Thank you. Man, I feel like
You're
I'm just
welcome.
a bit bad at like follow the instruction. Like I'm just, oh.
Anyway. Oh, I sent you the wrong thing. Sorry, Vincent. Hold on one second.
Yeah, I thought like, whoa, that's a lot of files to download.
Oh, well, if you click on that, at the very top of the page, it says special note for instructions on accessing Excel, see Excel tools. That's the page you want.
It sounds good.
Let me try this again. There you go.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, Ashley.
Okay, it's
Yeah, I'm thinking 0. Is that what you're thinking too?
hold on just a second.
Okay.
Fixing it.
And which one are you using? Are you using like the quantitative?
Quantitative descriptive statistics. I think it's the top one.
Okay, for this, mine has 3,900 for the second, or for the first quartile,
Uh-huh.
which would be the second number in the 5-number summary.
Oh, where'd it go? The 3,900?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then so 0 would be the first one then.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, well, number 11 is at 0.
Because
yeah.
here, I'll do that. Share. Okay, so see right here where it has like the minimum, Vincent?
Uh-huh.
So those are going to be the 5 numbers. So 0, 3,900, 18,000. So 1, 2, and then here's a median, then 4 and 5.
So is it just basically I put in like the mean, standard deviation, and like they would calculate that for me?
Yes, if you use that spreadsheet that we were just talking about, it'll do it for you. So what is the 4th number? What did you get on that one, Vincent?
The 4th one?
Yeah.
1.16.
Oh, sorry, a number 3. How'd you get that?
Like, so right now I'm putting mean, standard deviation, and what do you put for the variance?
So you don't have to put any of that in there. If you'll go to the wrong site, wrong patient spreadsheet that we were using for number 1 through 10,
Uh-huh.
and if you copy the data in the second column, it's like 170 something of them. So copy that column. Here, I'll just share my thing. Hold on. Okay, so you're going to go to this. This is the first spreadsheet. You're going to take this right here and copy this whole column, right?
Yeah.
And then you're going to go to, can you see the second spreadsheet now? I don't know what it's showing. Okay, perfect. Okay, then you're going to go and paste it in this quantitative descriptive statistics. You're going to paste all those numbers over here on the left-hand side.
Oh,
And then it'll calculate it'll calculate all of these numbers for you, and then all of these numbers in the percentile. And so we're looking at these numbers right here. Actually, okay. Right here. And so number 11, the answer was 0 because the minimum number is 0.
Okay.
And then it asks us for the second number, and now we have to find the fourth number. So we're just looking at these.
Like it just showed you like Q1, median, Q3.
Right, but the minimum, the median, and max. So minimum, Q1, median, Q3, and maximum. That's what we're looking at because we're looking at the quartiles right now. So it's taking all of those numbers and breaking them down into four quadrants, basically, and telling us what the numbers are.
Okay.
Does that make sense, Ashley? Am I explaining that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So like this is what we're looking for, and then on number 4 we're looking where are we at? What is the fourth number in the 5-number summary? So that's where we would look here. Do 1, 2, 3, 4, and it'd be this right here, the 50,145.50. Does that make sense, Vincent?
Yeah. Can I'm not sure if I'm doing this right, but can I share this with you?
Sure.
Screen?
Yeah, no, we're here to help each other. It's fine.
Okay. Okay, let's see. Can you see it?
Yes, if you're talking, we can see it. I'll
Okay.
mute my microphone, so go ahead.
So I put this in, and I don't know why I'm showing this. Is it the same?
Can you maximize it a little bit more? I can't hardly see it, so.
Okay. Just a second. Let's see. How do I do it? I don't know how to. How do I do it? Here.
There you go, that works.
So, which one is the fourth column? Like, is it 1, 2, 3, 4, Q3?
Yes.
Oh, well, those one. 1, 2, 3. I thought it
So
was.
the first one is the mean. The second one is the standard deviation. It automatically calculates it for you. And then the next one is the variance. So those have to do with it, but for what we're looking for, we just need those 5, the minimum to the maximum.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The fourth one will be 5,145.5.
Yeah, 50,000. But yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Okay.
How do I stop sharing?
Okay, there you go. All right, so what's the answer to number 13 then? The fourth number and the 5-number summary.
Just a second. So number 12 is nearest.
The second.
Cent.
Huh? Yeah.
So is it 50145?
No. This question 12 is asking for the second number.
Oh, second number.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So it will be 3,900.
Right.
Okay.
Is that what you have, Ashley?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then, all right, number 13 is the fourth number in the 5-number summary.
So is it asking the first or the fourth or the fifth?
Yeah. You just said it a couple minutes ago. Excuse me.
What is nearest cent mean?
I think we just leave that cent in there.
So 50145.5.
Is that what you have, Ashley? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Okay. We ready to go to number 14?
Yes. Okay, I can read it. Redbox is an increasingly popular way to rent movies in the U.S. Individuals can go to Redbox kiosk and have a wide variety of movies to choose from. A study was done in which researchers observed the duration of time in seconds. Individuals spend making a decision on which movie to rent at Redbox. Answer the next 3 questions based on the following box.
Yeah. So it's just asking for like estimates, and then the last question is asking what the value of the mean is. And we're not able to answer that, so it cannot be determined for the last one. And then the other two are just giving estimates. So
Okay, third quartile.
yeah.
So what is 14 and 15?
Just guesses on what you think the closest to that number is. So I actually already finished a quiz and I have to go visiting teaching really quick.
Okay.
Okay.
So I will talk to you guys on Monday or sometime in between.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so
Okay.
much for helping us.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks, Ashley.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Everything else
You have a
we've
good
done-
night. Vincent,
we know that so far everything we've done is right because I got 100%. So yeah, so it's just
Okay.
guesses on what those two numbers are.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Yep,
Bye.
bye.
Thanks. Good night. All right, Vincent, we can finish up. So,
Okay.
oh my goodness. All right.
Go slow.
No, it's okay because it helps me because if I explain it to you, then I'm like, okay, I know what I'm doing.
Yeah. So I can just guess the number for 14 and 15.
Yeah, so I'm looking in the book. This is a box plot, which it says that, but I'm just looking because we're gonna be looking at the bottom part where the box is around. So, what is the third quartile? Okay,
I don't get it.
I'm having a look in the book. So, okay, let me share my screen with you. Okay. So, oh. Okay. So we're looking at, I think we're looking in this area right here. Because this is going to be the, I guess the fifth quartile. Draw a number line, number the quantities, connect the tops.
I just see your quiz.
Yeah, no, well, we're looking at this right here. And I'm looking in the book, so.
Oh.
Okay, so we're, all right, let me unshare this. Oops. All right. Are you there?
Yep.
Okay. All right. So this is the maximum this is the minimum. This is the maximum. This is going to be quarter 3. So it's just.
I don't see
Huh?
your screen right now.
Oh, sorry. Okay. I should really share that. I'm sorry about that.
You good?
Okay, so this is just going from the book, the notes in the book. So this is just a different way to, I guess, plot. It's a box plot. So this right here is the maximum number. This down here, this little bitty line is the minimum. And then each line is going to be, so like, here's the max, here's the minimum. And if you remember on the Excel spreadsheet, we had a minimum and a maximum. And then there was the second quartile, the median, and the third quartile. So this is just another way to look at that information. Okay, and so we just have to make a guesstimate for what we think the answer is there.
Okay.
Okay? We're going to get through this.
So estimate doesn't have a right answer then. It's like you just estimate.
Yeah.
Can I just put like 300?
You can put whatever you want to put.
Okay.
Okay, 100, yay!
Let me submit it.
Okay.
I got 88.
What? No way.
Yeah.
Well, you have to take it again. We'll see what you got wrong.
What? It said like my estimate was wrong.
Well, you have to estimate within that line.
I don't get it.
Okay. So okay, I'm gonna share my screen with you because it's just the. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. This information in the box right here.
I don't see your screen.
Oh, hold on. What's it doing?
And like, I don't think I can see your mouse when you share.
Oh, here it is. I didn't click it the rest of the day. Okay. So you can't see my mouse circling around like that?
No, I can't see it.
Okay. Can you see it if I do this? Nope.
Nope. I don't.
This?
Oh, yeah, I see it now.
Okay. All right. So see this information, how this is just a different way to plot this, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So this information translates to this information right here. Can you see this?
No.
Okay, I have to share that too. Hold on. Hold on, I have to switch between. Okay. Okay, see this information right here? We talked about this. This is for 11, 12, and 13.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. How it is listed here in this chart. This is what it looks like when you put it into a box plot. But it's different information. So if you're at the red box, they're saying the maximum amount of time that people spend is over 700 seconds looking at red box movies trying to pick. So you're really just looking, and you can't see my thing, hold on. So this is this is the minimum time. This line right here, whoops, is going to be the third quartile, sorry. This number right here is the median.
Mm-hmm.
This is going to be the third quartile. And then this will be the maximum number.
Oh,
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
So, hey, just go back and take that. You've got it. Like, were those the two that you missed?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just look at those lines as you don't want to go above the line. So, yeah. I hope that helps.
Yeah.
I don't know if I explained that very well.
It helps. Okay, I will do it one more time. Okay, thank you.
You're so welcome. Do you want me to stay on here while you finish it, or do you just want to message me when you're done?
I will just message you.
All right. Well, good luck. You can do it. Okay? You got this.
Okay.
All right. Talk
You
to you probably Monday or so. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Have a good night. Bye.
Bye.